Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about 4 very confusing words. Choice, choose, chose, and chosen. Let's take a closer look at each word. First, let's look at choice. Choice is a noun. It's a thing. So we need a verb. The verb or the action is make. You make a choice. When you make a choice, you make a decision or you decide. He needs to make a choice, or he needs to decide. Remember, choice is countable. I can have 1 choice or 2 choices, 3 choices. So when you say make a choice. It's 1. He needs to make a choice. You can say have a choice. Have is the verb. Have is the action. And choice is countable. It's 1. You have a choice. 1 choice. When you have a choice, you have an option. You can choose this one or you can choose that one. You have a choice. If you don't have a choice, you only get 1 thing. If you have a choice, you have an option. If you don't have a choice or you have no choice, you have to do this. You have no choice. This is for you. This is your only option. Now let's look at choose. Choose is the verb. Choose is the action in present. So if I say I need to choose. It's the same as I need to make a choice. So he needs to choose. Example, he needs to choose. Pronunciation, use the zebra z sound with vibration. Z, choose. He needs to choose between an apple or an orange. So the connector is between. Use preposition between. He needs to choose. He needs to choose between an apple or an orange. Chose. Chose is the action choose in the past. We change choose to the past chose. So if it's positive, we use the past action chose. What did he do? Did he choose? Yes, he chose. What did he choose? He chose the orange. He chose the orange. He made a choice, and he chose the orange. Pronunciation, use the zebra z. Chose. Z. He had a choice, and he chose the orange. He had a choice between an apple and an orange, and he chose the orange. Chosen. Chosen is the participle or the third form of choose. The verb choose in present, chose in past, and chosen is the participle we use with have or has. So I make the question, have you chosen yet? Has he chosen yet? No, he hasn't chosen yet. He's still thinking. Or he's still choosing. He hasn't chosen yet. He hasn't made a choice. He hasn't made a choice yet. He needs to make a choice. Let's practice. I have a choice and you have a choice. He has a choice. So question, does he have a choice? That's right, he has a choice. Let's practice. Does he need to make a choice? Very good, he needs to make a choice. Let's practice. Does he need to choose between an apple or an orange? That's right, he needs to choose between an apple or an orange. Let's practice. Did he choose the apple or the orange? What did he choose? That's right, he chose the orange. Let's practice. Has he chosen yet? That's right, he hasn't chosen yet. He's still thinking. Thank you for watching, and if you need more resources to practice English, click the link below and check out the book that we use in our classes to practice reading, listening, and speaking. Thanks for watching.